Hello, guys, and welcome again. It's another Monday, and it's that day where I give to you some jobs which you can actually apply to online. Today is that particular day again, and today I'm sharing something that's really quite interesting. A simple job in which you can actually apply to and just use your voice. Yeah, all you just need for this particular job is just your voice. As you know, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you and we are going to be taking a look at it together. So this particular website or their other website at the end of the video, which I'm going to be sharing with you, the other website which I'm going to be sharing with you, this particular website, they are just hiring those to do voiceover for them, read out something loud. Maybe there's some company that need to do some advert and they need some nice voices. So if you have this kind of great voice, which is good for jobs like this, so this is your chance, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually apply on this particular website. Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and I believe you can see my screen right now, and we are currently on voice.com website. Before we actually go to voice.com website, don't forget to stick to the end of this video so you can see how you can actually make money from this website. So like I said, we are currently on voice.com right now. You can see the website. You can see how beautiful this website is. I'm really in love with how this website was really designed, and it's really quite beautiful. So before we actually go to in depth of what you can actually do on this website, as you know, I always love to take you to Trustpilot to see what people are actually saying about this website. So this is the rating for this company, and they are rated 4.2 over 5. That is a good rating. And you see here excellent is like 76%. Just 8% of people think that this is bad, and just 4% think this is poor, but excellent is 76%. So you can see here good ways to connect with decent client talent, clinical study for explainer elimination, my first visits to voices, sweet responses. So these are people's response here, and which is this is what they actually think about the company. I'm going to be putting the link to this review on Trustpilot. I'm going to be putting it in the description. So check that out. Check for yourself before you start applying, so you know if it's something for you or if this is not something for you. So now let's go back to voices.com. Actually, on voices.com, it's not just for those that want to do voiceover, those that want to read out loud, those that want to use their voice, those that want to make money. Also, as a company also which also who is looking for talent, you can also come to this particular website to look for good talent. Yeah, you can come to this particular website to look for great talent to do that your advert for you. So on their website, as you can see, they've worked with the likes of Microsoft, the likes of Shopify, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu. So, and as you can see here, it says your go-to source for all professional voiceover needs, 90 minutes. You see everything in here. It said here you can browse your top talents, get top people with great voices, and you can see how much they pay for some of their jobs, how much company pays for some of their jobs. You can see here find talent, and you see they also have an explanatory video which explain how things is done on their platform, which we are going to be taking a look at. So this is just how the website is. Yeah, this is just how the website is. So let's go to the one which we are really actually interested about, which is find work. Yeah, how to make money on this website. So when you click on find work, it takes you to another website. It takes you to another website, and this shows you how you can actually sign up, so how you can sign up, and you can see the details say get paid for your unique skills, worry less, work more, blah 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 blah. And this is where you actually create. When you click on this, create your free profile, because you need to create a profile which companies are going to be, they are going to find you, and then you can even create a demo of what you are capable of in this your profile, which when people go to and they saw your profile, or when you apply for any project, they saw your profile and they can actually check out what you have. So when you click on it, it takes you to that registration page, which you can actually register with email. Just single sign on there with your email, you can sign up. So this is step searching, step work, and they have everything detailed here. They have everything detailed here, and they also have, for those of you that we have question, how do I get to start working? Here they explain how you need to sign up, and here how much time do I need? How do I get invited for jobs? And it's written here. Everything is written here. How do I get hired? How much does it cost? Yeah, everything is written here. So I'm going to put a link to their website in the description below, and which you can actually check that. Yeah, which you can check that by yourself to know if this is really good for you. You can basically earn up to 500, as I already said in the title of this video. You can earn up to 500 on this website, up to 500 on this website per week. You can earn up to 500 because they actually pay a lot for voices. So when you click here, when you click on find work talent, and you also click on search here, search, yeah, you will see some of the jobs that are available. You see some of the talents here, yeah, you see some of the talents here, and they can only, and this is where they get to, where company actually try to invite them, and you see how much they even pay them. Yeah, see, so you can invite any of these people. That this is for a company. Yeah, and if I'm a talent and I'm actually looking for project which I can apply to, when I click the same thing, project, and I click on search, I will see some of the projects that are actually available right now and how much they are paying for the project. You see the title: professional real friendly voice over podcast host. Yeah, and you are going to be paid $500. Yeah, if you apply for this. And trustworthy, knowledgeable, natural VO voiceover for e-learning and training courses, and this you are going to be paying, you are going to be paid $200. So their payment method is PayPal. Yeah, their payment method is PayPal. This is almost $400, and when you sign up, you see more. And it's not just all the English; they are for different languages. Yeah, there are different language: French, German, Arabic. Yeah, they have for different languages. So this is everything that is being done on this particular website. And if you are really interested, just check them out. Yeah, I'm going to be giving you two other websites that does almost the same thing. Two other websites that does almost the same thing, and one of them is Bonnie Studio. They also do the same thing as voice.com. They do the same thing, so you can also check that out. I'm going to be putting a link for Bonnie Studio also in the description. They do almost the same thing, not almost, but the same thing. This is currently in German. Let me see if I can just get it over to you in English here. Let me change it to English for you, so it's be much more easy for you. Yeah, it's still in German, but I'm switching it to it's still in German. Yeah, so you can read. So for Bonnie Studio, they do almost the same thing also, and you can just check them. You can also check them out. They do the same thing. And aside Bonnie Studio, there's also another one, find away voices. They also do the same thing, which you can also use your voice to earn money. If you can sign up to any of these three websites, and be sure that you make almost more than $1,000 in case you get invited for a project, and that is really a great one for you. So this is just what I'm bringing to you today. Be sure to check out this website, and if you have questions, you can always just write them an email also, or you can also drop you can also drop your questions in the comment section, and of course I'm going to be replying you. So you need to start making money online, and this is a good one. If you've not seen any of my past video concerning making online, then be sure to check them out also. And of course, if you like what I do on this channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. For now, take care. Bye for now.